This is Dallas-Fort Worth's adult hit station KJKK 100.3 FM. We are sorry for the interruption to your music, but we are getting word of an emergency alert system activation being requested. Please stand by as we relay this urgent civil danger warning over KJKK 100.3. This is not a test.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety, the Texas State Division of Emergency Management, and the Texas State National Guard. Residents of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, shelter in place immediately. Unidentified robotic creatures have been spotted attacking residents within the area. These creatures have been designated as murder drones in V&J. The Texas State National Guard is having extreme difficulty in terminating these creatures. Residents are strongly advised to seek shelter if outdoors. A specialized task force will be en route to assist the Texas State National Guard in terminating these creatures. Repeating, residents are strongly advised to seek shelter if outdoors. This message will retransmit in 5 minutes.